Because life is full of unexpected spills, chills, and thrills. Pergo TimberCraft laminated wood floors are 100% waterproof and are now available with WetProtect Technology, which provides antimicrobial properties built in to protect the floor. Plus an attached pad that saves you installation time and money. Patented WetProtect Technology locks spills on the surface, so they clean up easily and won't leak through to damage the subfloor. They're the only floors with a lifetime waterproof warranty on both the surface and the subfloor. It's the right kind of waterproof, guaranteed. Plus, Pergo laminated wood floors are wear, fade, and stain-proof, and protect against scuffs and scratches for extreme durability. With a lifetime residential warranty and a 20-year light commercial warranty, these floors are totally worry-free. Only Pergo TimberCraft offers the ultimate in realism. With unique ultra-depth technology that reproduces every fleck, every flaw, anything that makes a piece of wood unique with astonishing clarity. And at 12 millimeters thick, a 10 millimeter plank plus 2 millimeter attached pad, they provide long-term stability and easier DIY installation, so it's easy to transform your room in just a weekend. Pergo floors are tough enough to take it all, making them perfect for people who want beautiful homes that are livable too. Pergo TimberCraft waterproof high-performance laminated wood floors. Available exclusively at Lowe's.